I love a bit of garden art, so I'm going to create a living succulent ball that can be a hanging feature in your garden. Here's what you'll need: 2 good-sized hanging baskets, a stylish selection of succulents, quality potting mix, a piece of cardboard and cable ties. I've just got my hands on these matching hanging baskets from Northcote Pottery. So they've got this lovely kind of bird cage-like detail to them and plenty of room for planting succulents. So I'm just going to start by filling both of the baskets with potting mix. Now the fiddly bit is joining the 2 baskets together to form a sphere. So here's a neat little trick. Simply place a piece of cardboard over the top of one of the baskets. Put the 2 halves together and gently slide the cardboard out. Then firmly secure the baskets with cable ties. Okay, now comes the fun part, the planting. So I've got a selection of Echeverias here from InStyle Succulents, and I've chosen different colours and forms for extra impact. So I've got some darker forms like Painted Lady here, which has burgundy coming through the foliage. I've got Black Knight, which has sort of burgundy or almost black tips, and then some silver forms for real contrast. Now these plants have been grown as plugs, so they've only got a small root system, which makes them perfect for this style of planting. Now all you need to do is cut little holes into your hanging basket liner and quite simply poke the plants through. Now if they're a bit insecure, just get your hands on some floristry wire and you can pin them in. If you're finding it tricky to get underneath, then try resting the basket on a pot to do the lower half. And remember to secure any loose succulents with floristry wire. So there you have it, the beautiful finished product. Now all I have to do is reattach some of those wires from the hanging basket that I removed earlier, and it's ready to display in the garden. The perfect garden disco ball.